Can you start seeds indoors using potting mix? I'm going to do an experiment to answer that question. I've got a tray of seed starts, and on one side, the left-hand side, I used potting mix. And on the right-hand side, I used a seed starting mix. And so we're going to check the results and see what happens. It's day 5, and we're finally getting some seedlings starting to emerge. Let's take a look. This side is the potting soil mix. You'll notice it's a bit darker and more dense texture. On the right-hand side, we have the seed starting mix. You'll notice more of the white specks. That's perlite. It has more of that in it. And let's zoom in and see how many seeds have emerged on each side. Potting soil mix, not many. There's one right there. Second one barely starting to pop. And a third one right there. And then that is it for the potting soil mix. So if we go over to the seed starting mix, we've got one there, 2, 3, barely, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 to 3, day 6. And here is the potting soil side. We've got a few more sprouts. And here is the seed starting mix side. And you can see that most of the seeds have germinated on this side. So the basic observation here is they're both working. It just seems that the seed starting mix, the seeds are germinating faster. Day 8, and I've removed the pots where the seeds have germinated from the top and put them under the lights below. So we're only looking at the pots where nothing has germinated, and we're just going to compare the two sides. The potting soil mix, we've got 4 pots where no seed have germinated, and on the right-hand side, 3 of the seed starting mix that did not germinate. I'm going to end the experiment there. That's enough information for me to conclude that yes, you can use potting mix to start seeds. However, I was very impressed by how rapidly the seed starting mix worked as opposed to the potting mix. And I think based on that, I'm going to continue to use seed starting mix to start my seeds. But it's good to know that if I'm in a pinch or if all I have is potting soil, I can use that as well.